Do you want to change your life or seek a better future? If yes, you must analyze your thought process. You must learn and understand what is positive thinking. If you just took a decision to change your life, then you must understand how your thoughts impact your life. Have you ever felt that if you could go back to past, you can fix some decisions, mistakes, or even relationships? Most of you will answer yes to this. You must develop a positive mindset if you want harmony, peace, love, success, and happiness in your life. You have to make positive thinking as your habit, as it impacts every aspect of your life. At the start, it isn't easy to learn what is positive thinking, but through practicing on a daily basis will help you to adopt positive thinking as a habit. Ask 4 simple questions to yourself. Are you an emotional person? Are you a logical thinker? Do you focus on long-term goals or short-term goals? On a daily basis in your mind, what kind of thoughts you have, negative or positive? After this video, you will be able to overcome your negative thoughts. Positive thinking makes you see all events and experiences that happen in your life in a positive manner. It makes you learn from your failures and taking it as an opportunity to grow and heal yourself. This is why you don't need to go back in your past to fix something. Instead, learn something from everything. Positive thinking impacts our way of life and our approach towards life. For example, your communication with other people will improve. You will also feel that people are taking interest in you. People will get inspiration from you. Your productivity and working capabilities will start increasing. You will feel happy and less stressed. You become generous and grateful. Is positive thinking a lifestyle? Yes, you can say that positive thinking is a lifestyle. More you have the power of positivity, more you will experience happiness, abundance, peace, and harmony. Positivity makes you feel self-confident and helps you in prompt and effective decision making. When positive thinking becomes your habit, you will start living your life, your job, and you will have a good personal life. Also, you will start spending money intelligently and getting more ideas to earn more. More good peoples are around you. You are becoming more generous. I'm going to tell you few habits that you should add in your life and make your worth living, achieve success, influence people, and add harmony, peace, prosperity in your life. Number 1, remember, when you do something good, it will come back to you. When you make someone smile, you will feel good. Make a habit to do something good on daily basis. Help someone, show kindness, do charity. These acts will give you positive energy. Just smile and say hello to someone when you are crossing the street or at your workplace. Appreciate someone, give someone an honest compliment. Number 2, smile. When we start shifting to the power of positivity, our attitude shifts from bad to good, negative to positive, sadness to laughter, failure to success. One factor also plays an important role that puts more positivity and happiness in our lives, and that is laughter. So do laughter sessions with the people around you, your friends, your family, office colleagues. It also reduces your stress and you will feel light and happy. The third habit, on daily basis, take out some time to read or watch motivational content that can boost your positivity. In this era, social media is the most popular platform where you will find a massive amount of positive content. But avoid the negative content that will harmful and make you hateful and angry. Fourth habit, setting up daily goals is also a good habit. Many people say that they can't achieve their daily goals. The reason behind their failure is that they are not aware of the power of positive mind. When one starts thinking positively, he or she will gradually start achieving the daily goals. Setting goals allows you to overcome negative thoughts, and you also stop making excuses and focus on your goals. Fifth habit, morning routine is the first thing that describes your whole day. People have different morning routines. If you woke up with some negative thoughts, you will experience negative vibes and feel low. Our recommendation is to start your morning with something that can give you boost so you can spend your whole day with full of energy and positive thoughts. Start your day with running and exercise. Gratitude and say positive statements like, my thoughts are constructive, I am born to win, I am confident, my day will be productive, I am happy with the things that I have, I am happy with my job, I will do all today's tasks easily and efficiently. Number 6 habit, conduct a self interview. Make a habit to ask a question to yourself. But questions should be positive and constructive. The questions that will not harm you in any way. You can say that it is a constructive criticism on yourself. Don't ask a question like this: why this all happened to me? Why people leave me? Why people don't like me? Why I am not successful? Ask yourself in a constructive way that what I learned from my past. How can I fix this problem? What lesson do I learn from my failures? By asking these questions calmly, quietly, and constructively, you will be able to get answers from your subconscious mind, and you will experience amazing results and solutions to all of your problems. Number 7th habit, creating positive environment around you is very important. Watch and read positive content. Meditate yourself. Surround yourself with people who are positive too and encourages you, supports you, appreciates you, make you happy, and you feel happy and comfortable with them. Make standards in your life and identify what's acceptable and what's not. Number 8 habit is meditation. Meditation also helps you to bring change in your life. The most beneficial habit that will boost the power of positivity. In the start, you will not get results, but by doing meditation on daily basis and when you pro at it, you will experience massive changes in your thought process and in your life. We recommend you to take out just 10 minutes from your busy schedule and practice it to do it for your own benefit. Writing your thoughts is also something like meditation. Whenever you feel stressed, low, and unhappy, write down those feelings. When you write down, it will help you to remember and also helps you to overcome and fix those problems later. The last habit, and also very important to boost your positivity, is to read books which are related to positive thinking, personal development, growth, and success. Also read success stories of all well-known entrepreneurs. It will help you to boost your positivity, and also you will learn more about the power of positive thinking. Through books, you can learn techniques to apply in your life to make you focused, motivated, and happy. Start thinking positively today and bring amazing change in your life.